So quick instruction on how to take Meister Task and put this onto your computer as a program. You already have it on your phone, your tablet, you have it within your Outlook of your phone, within the Outlook in your computers, but what about having it as a computer program? So you actually, on your notifications, they'll give you this view all apps. Let's go mobile. You click that, and then you have your apps stay connected. I'm using Windows. So I would just go direct download. It is downloading. Open when done. 11 seconds, 10 seconds. Here we go. It's really, really powerful when you have it on your computer because then you don't have to go through any type of browser to open it up. And you can create a command that this program opens when your computer opens. So there is Meister Task. I click it. It's going to extract Windows Defender, more info, run anyway. Thank you for protecting me, Windows Defender. Next. Start menu folder, yep, next. We'll create a desktop. Next. Install. So it'll run through this really, really quickly. Finish, launch Meister Task. There it is. Let me log in. So now when you have logged into the program onto your computer, my preference, I like to have incoming notifications and desktop notifications here. I'm also going to hook it up down here to my Slack. One thing I really like to do is if I come in here and there's Meister Task, I always pin to taskbar. I pin it to the taskbar. So there it is down there now too. I like my programs I'm using often, Outlook, Slack, and now Taskmeister to be down here. So that is how you put it on your computer, and your various projects sit on the left, your notifications and tasks right here. But now Taskmeister is on my computer. It's on my Outlook in my computer. It's on my phone. It's on my Outlook in my phone. It's on my tablet, my Outlook in my tablet. Everything is connecting. So I can run tasks and projects and see everything on any device. It's very, very fluid. So hopefully this helps. And, oops.